Here's a simplified explanation of Article 316 of the Indian Constitution, which deals with the appointment and term of office of members of Public Service Commissions. Main points of Article 316. 1. Appointment of members. The President of India appoints the chairman and members of Union Public Service Commission, UPSC. Joint Public Service Commission serves more than one state. The governor of a state appoints the chairman and members of State Public Service Commission, SPSC. Provision. Around half of the members of any public service commission should be those who have served in a government post, central or state, for at least 10 years. Even if this service was before the Constitution came into force, it will still be counted, example under British rule or princely states. 1a. If the chairman's position becomes vacant. If the chairman's seat is vacant, or the chairman can't perform duties due to illness, absence, etc. The President, for UPSC or Joint Commission, or the governor, for State Commission, will assign one of the other members to act as the chairman temporarily, until a new chairman takes charge, or the original chairman resumes duties. 2. Term of office. A member serves for a term of 6 years or until reaching the age limit, whichever is earlier. 65 years for UPSC members. 62 years for state PSC and joint PSC members. Provisos, exceptions. A. A member can resign by submitting a letter to the President, for UPSC Joint Commission, to the Governor, for State Commission. B. A member can be removed as per the procedure given in Article 317. 3. Reappointment. Once someone completes their term as a member of a public service commission, they cannot be reappointed to the same office again. The Constitution of India. Part 14. Services under the Union and the States. Chapter 2. Public Service Commissions. Article 316. Appointment and term of office of members. 1. The chairman and other members of a public service commission shall be appointed, in the case of the Union Commission or a Joint Commission, by the President, and in the case of a State Commission, by the Governor of the state. Provided that as nearly as may be one half of the members of every public service commission shall be persons who at the dates of their respective appointments have held office for at least 10 years either under the Government of India or under the Government of a state, and in computing the said period of 10 years any period before the commencement of this Constitution during which a person has held office under the Crown in India or under the Government of an Indian state shall be included. 1a. If the office of the chairman of the commission becomes vacant or if any such chairman is by reason of absence or for any other reason unable to perform the duties of his office, those duties shall, until some person appointed under clause 1 to the vacant office has entered on the duties thereof or, as the case may be, until the chairman has resumed his duties, be performed by such one of the other members of the commission as the President, in the case of the Union Commission or a Joint Commission, and the Governor of the state in the case of a State Commission, may appoint for the purpose. 2. A member of a Public Service Commission shall hold office for a term of 6 years from the date on which he enters upon his office or until he attains, in the case of the Union Commission, the age of 65 years, and in the case of a State Commission or a Joint Commission, the age of 62 years, whichever is earlier. Provided that a. A member of a Public Service Commission may, by writing under his hand addressed, in the case of the Union Commission or a Joint Commission, to the President, and in the case of a State Commission, to the Governor of the state, resign his office. b. A member of a Public Service Commission may be removed from his office in the manner provided in Clause 1 or Clause 3 of Article 317. 3. A person who holds office as a member of a public service commission shall, on the expiration of his term of office, be ineligible for reappointment to that office.